Type your text. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Make a selection around your text. Press CTRL ALT and click on the thumbnail of the text layer. This will deselect the text. Go to Select, Modify, Expand. Expand by 2 pixels. Go to Edit, Generative Fill. I use the prompt paint dripping from text. You have 3 different variations to choose from. If you don't like any of the results, you can generate again. And that's how you create a dripping paint effect.